This is my 2006 Toyota Sienna. It's got a bad bearing in the transfer case, and I got to remove the subframe to fix it. There is a locator pin inside of this rubber bushing that lines up the subframe, and it's been rust welded together. I've been using PB Blaster and Rust Blaster to try and loosen that up, and it has not worked. And I've also used this Porta Power shoved into this gap to try and break it loose. What I'm going to do now is tap that metal bushing that goes up around the pin with a 1-inch national coarse tap. And then I'm going to buy a bolt and shave the top of the bolt off to make a pin that'll push on the other pin in there and force these two pieces apart using the metal dowel that's stuck on the pin here. Wish me luck. Alright, I got a 1-inch national coarse all thread and welded a nut on it and ground off the threads on the end so that it can push up past where the threading is at. Into that hole there, you see the threads. Hopefully this will bust this loose. You see it threads in quite a ways. Seem to be going now. Let's see what's going on. Alright, we are definitely moving down. You can actually see a gap in there now, and my jack was holding the subframe up so you couldn't tell. And there we are. We're out. Why they would design something like that without protecting it from the elements, I have no idea. I did notice that the driver's side pin slot is oblong, so I don't think that threading that would be an option to loosen it up. But this side just happened to be perfectly round. There we go. You can see the amount of corrosion on there from the years of it just hanging out. And it put quite the dent in the end of this bolt. You can see that round lip all the way around was pushing on the pin. That's how much force it took to pop that loose. It actually deformed the metal of this all thread rod. Thanks, Toyota.